Today we are going to focus in how to make the do while loops in Python. Now loops are the crucial part, and we can execute a block of code repeatedly. That makes our program kind of efficient and effective. Now in Python there are two types of loops, for loop and while loop. And a do while loop is however present in other kind of programming languages, but unfortunately it does not have a built-in do while loop like some other languages. Now we can create a similar effect using a while loop, but how are we going to do that? First of all, as you can see on the screen, there is a basic example of a while loop. I have initiated and given a value to a variable I, then I have applied the condition that is less than 5, I is less than 5, and then I have simply printed I, and I have incremented 1 in every time. So it has given me the output of 1 to 0 to 4. As the condition here, it goes less than 1. Like if in this condition it is given as 5, it will run till 4. Now how I can convert this while loop into a do while loop? A do while loop is a type of while loop, and in this the block code at least run once before checking the condition. Let's say we are working with a program in which we want to at least run our program at once, then check the condition. In the program that is right now on your screen, it first checks the condition and then it operates. But what if I want to print I one time before going into it? Let's say if I just make it 90, this will give us, this will not run, but I want this time once to be printed and then to be stopped and move out of the loop. For that, let's take an example where we are using a while loop with a conditional statement to create a do while loop effect. The code will run at least once, and this condition will be checked. If the condition is true, then the loop will continue. If it's false, loop will exit. Now let's first declare a variable, and then I want to run it till it's true. Actually, I have to write it with a capital T. Now I want to print I and indent it, but the condition would be applied here. If I becomes greater or equal to 5, then I want to break from this loop. Now at least once the I will be printed before breaking. See, it gives the same output, but what if I convert it to 90 here? It will be once printing the output and then it will check the condition. It is not meeting the condition and it is going to break out of that loop.